Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I would like to compare these two ratchets. Both Sealey. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. So this is my old Sealey ratchet and this is my new one. Old one, red one, is 12 volts battery, 1.5 ampere, 45 Newton meters and 250 RPM. Also LED light is a wee bit stronger than this one, and watt is different. This black one is 10.8 volts and this motor speed is 300 RPM and also 45 Newton meters. But the black one is a lot faster than red one. I would like show you how this ratchet screw in the bolts. So the bolts are M10 by 100. Nuts are locking type, so will be harder for this ratchet. Both are fully charged. Alright, let's see which one is faster. Definitely black one is a lot faster. Now I will unscrew the same bolts. This one doesn't have enough power to loose this bolt, so I will start again. So like I said, the black one seems to me wee bit faster and stronger also. But the voltage is lower, yeah, on the battery. Alright, so again. See, this one is... Definitely the red one is not strong enough. All right, once more. Okay. Once more. Both the same time, but to torque the bolt, the black one was faster, and also you can see that the thread is slightly damaged on this one. Maybe not the thread, maybe just the edge of the nut. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope that this short review will help you to choose between these two ratchets. Personally, I would take the black one because the black one is coming with the bigger battery and is faster, stronger, slightly stronger. Manufacturer says 45 Newton meters for two of them, but the black one you can see that is stronger and faster. So personally, I would take the black one. Your choice, what you would take. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, please leave me a like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.